Hey guys, Rhett here. What's going on at a client's property? Want to walk through it. We have it under contract for Kale. Kale, super excited for you, brother. We have it under contract for $40,000. It's going to need about $50,000 in work. Unfortunately, and I hate doing these videos, guys, but it looks like animals were being abused in this house. I see it very often. It doesn't get any easier to see it. We're gonna walk through, we're gonna check it out. The house has an overwhelming smell of dog urine and dog feces. As we're outside, we have a lot of junk and trash in the front yard. We have old chains, which is, you see a lot with pit bulls and a lot of homes where there have been dog abuse prevalent, but railings that are falling off the house, railings that are falling off the front, really loose steps, brickwork that's missing that needs to be replaced, a door that's fallen off the hinges completely. We would just remove this. We got to paint all these railings as well. But guys, I don't want to be in here very long because I don't want to talk with the smell in here. There's feces all over the floor. We're gonna get in and out here pretty quick. So everything in this house needs to be touched. We got to do all new paint. It needs all new flooring. It needs, the furnace in the basement is stripped. We're not going to go down there because there's feces everywhere. The dogs are being kept downstairs. I'm going to show you where. But there's holes in the walls. It needs light fixtures. It needs a ton of drywall work. It's got a ton of bad electrical. We got to do new electrical in here. It's got no heating and cooling source. So it has a furnace downstairs, but someone has gone through and taken all the valuables out of it. That needs to be replaced. All these window units need to be trashed. There's broken windows. It needs an entire new kitchen. It needs new flooring in the kitchen. It needs new flooring in the bathrooms. It needs new subfloors. There's a huge hole in the bathroom. I'm telling you this now because I don't want to talk a ton when I'm in here. There's trash and mattresses that need to go. New countertops, new cabinets, new bathroom, completely new kitchen. All the flooring needs to come up. All new subfloor needs to go down because a lot of this feces is soaked into this original hardwood because wood is porous. So we need to remove it, put new hardwood down, or new subfloor down, and then put carpet over this. All new vinyl in the kitchen, all new vinyl or laminate in the bathroom. So guys, we're gonna walk through it quick and you can kind of see what I mean. So we're in the living room here. A lot of the electrical in here is fried, but this had a ton of damage. Whoever's selling this house, that's all feces, guys. It's all just straight crap that has been caked on the floor. Absolutely nasty. There's dog hair that has been dried in it as well. But whoever put this house on market, what they did was they just cut out a lot of the holes from damage. So punches, kicks, it looks a little cleaner when you cut around it, so that's what they did. They did it here, they tried to patch it here. The smell is overwhelming as we come into the kitchen. One thing I want to show you, and this is kind of sad, but they kept the animals downstairs. When you look downstairs, you can see the dogs trying to get in here, okay? Trying to gnaw at the door. And then even in here, it gets a lot worse as you get in here. But you can see the damage from claw marks. And then on the left side of this wall, you can really see where the dogs were really trying to get in. And if you even go down a little bit more, you can see that railing where the dogs have chewed, trying to get in the house and just trying to eat their boredom. So really sad, of course. Downstairs is even worse. We're not gonna go down there because those stairs are covered in feces. But everything in here, guys, needs to go. All the cabinets, all the countertops, rip everything out, rip the floor out, do everything. And you have to take everything out because it smells so bad. So everything in here really needs to go, okay? All new paint, we need all new drywall, mudding, everything in here, every bedroom, repainted, new floors, feces everywhere, closet doors. Whoever had this, try to spray this whole thing down with paint to make it not look nearly as bad as it was, which isn't the case. Bathroom, huge sinkhole in the bathroom floor, okay? Vanity needs to get ripped out, tub needs to get ripped out, new toilet, new subfloor, everything in here needs to be redone. This is back in bedroom number 2, guys. needs new closet doors, trash that box spring, all new flooring, new paint in this room as well. We can't keep anything in here, guys. Everything needs to be redone. It smells so bad. The smell is in everything. And lastly, bedroom number 3, mattress, box spring and frame, needs new closet doors, and it needs new drywall work. So kind of what we're looking at here, guys. None of it looks good. None of it looks good. Now, as far as this mattress goes and as far as this box spring goes, if you guys just moved into a new house and you do need a box spring and a mattress, let me know. I can take this for you, okay? And I won't even charge you for it. So just drop your email below and I'll make sure I can get this out to you. Drop your address, I'll send it right to your front door. So guys, as we kind of exit here, before we run out, I don't want to talk in that other room because it smells so bad. Into It for 40 is what we have it under contract for. Rehab on it, 50,000. Into It for 90. This thing will rent for probably about $1,200 a month. It's in a really good neighborhood. I think it's going to be a great rental. Just sad. I know it's tough, but we are in the business of changing, right? We're in the business of changing lives by taking a home like this that is a total dump and disgusting and has had a bad past and erasing that and creating something that new people are going to be proud of, or they can create new memories that have been a lot better than the ones previous. Okay, we're going to do it. It's going to be great. I'm really excited for Kale to buy this property and move forward with this. So guys, if you want to do that as well, change lives, make money, but at the same time create a winning situation for somebody else who's less fortunate than you, drop me an email. My email's in the description below, and we'll get you set up with something like this. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.